like I said, you look at the chart. If price is still in the buy zone, I don't ever try to sell. Okay, I don't ever sell. The good picture is, look at the way that all these institutional trading firms, all these hedge funds, how they trade. They make good money trading with data. You will see price ticking like this. And I've tried as much as possible to build something meaningful, for the trading world, for the retail trading world, the retail trading family. Okay, for people to see and enjoy. They are separate indicators, and that is also the way they too pull things together. You will see when they disassemble it, you get to see that, oh, so this is not just a one indicator. It's just not one indicator. So the beauty is, look at the chart. What is the chart saying? No, look at the data. What is the data actually saying? For instance, I said, okay, look at EURUSD. It says it's strong buy. Then I look at this stable indicator here. It's a very strong buy. I will never sell if it is saying buy. I will never even look for any opportunity to say sell. Okay, I also have EURUSD here. This is quicker. Okay, yeah, quicker to judge. This is very quicker. I have it here, and you also have EURUSD here. You also have EURUSD. So what will make you begin to think otherwise? And all of this has happened even before this sharp move to the north. Okay, sharp bullish move. All of this has happened before this. So what you only have to do is to look for a good place, a good reasonable point, a good pullback where you can just take your trade and enjoy the market. Now let's quickly look at another one. We still have, I'll just randomly pick, okay, let's say USD card. USD card is divergence. Okay, divergence means that price, not even indicator, the price itself is one part is buying, another part is also selling. Now USD card is saying divergence. Let's look for USD card. Where is USD card? USD card. Do we have USD card in the building? I like discussing about the ones at the top. Okay, yes, this is USD card. This bigger picture, like in the bigger time frame, bigger time frame put together, it's buying here. Okay, and here bigger smaller time frame, here it's selling. If you come to switch to this side, let's look for USD card. Do we have it? How unreasonable it is, so we cannot buy. Okay, what does it also say here? Now look at it. It's also very not too bullish here, so I'm just going to ignore it, but let me show what USD card is currently doing. All right, so a lot of the time it's just consolidating. Okay, a lot of the time, okay, look at just what it's doing. A lot of the time. Okay, and these are also distribution areas. Okay, yes, a lot of the time this is what price was actually and always doing. Okay, so let me just show it to you so you can see. Yes, so it's not really reasonable to look at the market in that way. So you always come to the top and look at what is the market saying around here. This is silver, this is Bitcoin, this is New Zealand USD. Okay, let's pick another one. Let's pick a good sell. Let's pick USDCHF. Okay, we have it here, USDCHF. I have it here, USDCHF. And like I said, this is very quick to judge. Okay, yeah, very quick. So the moment it aligns with what I have here and here and here and here, it's a quick buy and it's a quick sell. All right, so what do we have? Strong sell. We have it also here, USDJPY. Because it's strong sell here, the 2 must be here. This is it. So let's go to USDCHF and see what we have. Strong, serious sell. Okay, after all of this, we might be thinking, oh, this is accumulation, kind of accumulation. No, you blend all of these approaches together, you blend all of this methodologies, put it together. Like what I did was, there is a part of the indicator, there's a part, some part of the code that I wrote that works for order flow. There's some part of the code that I wrote that works for accumulation and distribution. There are some parts of the code that I wrote, programming that I made that works for divergence and convergence. That's kind of like what you're seeing here. Okay, so many things, so many findings that I got to made, finding out what really works in the bigger picture in all of these big dogs, and I had to do what, calm down and put it together for myself. So at the end of the day, when you have all of this, it gives you the confidence of what you really want to do and where to focus on. Now lastly, let me quickly talk about this. This is ranking. Silver number one on the ranking. If you go look at silver should be buying. If you're right, you see, yeah, should be buying. So many things. Data, it's all about data. It's all about data. What data do you have? What's the market saying? How well is the market interpreting this for you? Now look at silver too. Okay, now look at silver. It's a strong buy. So when everything aligns, you just pair it with its best opposite, which is US dollar. Okay, you pair it with the best opposite, which is US dollar. Gold, look at gold that I first analyzed when I started this video. Look at gold, look at silver. The bigger pictures to say the price is up. Look at gold, look at the USD. The bigger pictures to say the price is going up, but here is saying a divergence. So that means we are going to wait until we have a good reason for gold to, and for this to happen, this also works in the bigger picture. Okay, like it calculates the bigger time frame. So I like putting it together to say bigger picture. Okay, so this also works. We already have it in the smaller picture, like some bigger and more smaller in time frames working together and all of that. So everything must work together for us to see more of gold, like more of gold. This is a 15-minute time frame. This is a 1 hour. The sell you're seeing is here, about almost about 730-40 pips move. Okay, and with this move, I see it as a pullback. This is just a pullback from here. Okay, this is just a pullback of this. So if eventually everything sets, all parameters are set, definitely you'll see gold moving back, then hitting past this stop and reverse 78.6% Fibonacci yearly level. Yes, so all right, that's how beautiful it is, and that is it is what it is when you understand how the market works. But most importantly, remember that I said that traders work with market data. Financial trader must work, whether you're a retail trader, whether you are retail trader, which could be an intraday scalper, swing and position trader, whether you're a proprietary firm, whatever kind of trader you are in the prop world, or you are in the institutional trading, family, hedge funds and all of that. Everybody should work with data, and I'm so proud that we have what we have, and it works definitely for the best. So I'll see you in the next video. I want to say thank you, and please follow if you are on Facebook. If you're on Facebook, if you're on TikTok, if you're on X, follow and subscribe if you are on YouTube, and like all the videos. You'll get to show you more. Thank you very much, and peace.